Much has been said about the importance of the automobile first aid kit, but many car owners still continue to take it with them only for technical inspections, and they act recklessly as the car is recognized as one of the most emergency means of transport. Properly collected first aid kit will help you in case of need to provide first aid to the victims and to himself as well. Many people don't pay proper attention to the first aid kit, but this may have a sad effect in an emergency situation. It's clear that the car's first aid kit can be compared with an ambulance car. However, prior to her arrival, it's necessary to apply the most effective first aid on the victim, which is done with the immediate help of the first aid kit.
First of all, hemostat, 2 medical non-sterile gauze bandage 5-on-5, 5-on-10, and 1 7-on-14. Sterile gauze bandage 5-on-7, 5-on-10, and 1 7-on-14. Individual medical sterile dressing package with hermetic closing. Sterile gauze wipes 16-on-14 or number 10. Bacterial adhesive plaster not less than 4-on-10. And bacterial adhesive plaster 1-on-10 on 7-and-2. And roll adhesive plaster 1-on-250. Mouth-to-mouth artificial respiration device. Scissors for cutting Lister's dressing. And medical gloves.